Hey friends, it's day 91 of my 100-day challenge. And today I want to talk about something that I think that really sets great realtors apart. How we stay connected with our past clients. Because for me, this business isn't just about the closing tables. It's about building lifelong relationships. And y'all heard me talk about this. But here are a few ways that I stay connected with my clients even after the closing table. One, I do client appreciation events, from treating my clients to the latest movies or our VIP sip and slide. We did the back to school giveaway. I love hosting events where my clients can come, have fun, and feel celebrated. The other thing I do is check ins and calls. I don't just want to know you when you're buying or selling. I want to know, how are you doing as life changes? Sometimes it's a text, it could be a birthday call, or even just checking in to say, hey, how's the house? I do mailers and pop buys, whether it's a holiday cake or a small gift or just a quick drop off. These touches remind my clients they're always top of mind. The other thing is social media connection. I follow and I cheer my clients' wins on online. That's from promotion, graduations, babies. The thing is, when you're part of my real estate family, you're family for life. At the end of the day, staying connected isn't about sales. It's about gratitude and relationships. And my clients become my friends, and friends become my family. That's why I love this business. So if you worked with me before, just know you'll always be more than just a transaction to me. And if you're thinking about buying or selling, join the McRae Associates family. Excellence, rooted in integrity, and delivered with urgency. And as always, smile and be a blessing. See y'all for day 92.